These wings are so yummy. I just received a new air fryer and today we're gonna try it out by making these awesome wings. I have my wings already cut and I'm going to rinse them, and I'm gonna rinse it with some lemon juice. Now that the wings are clean, I'm gonna pat dry them and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a jerk marinade. I do have a video that shows you how to make this marinade from scratch, so you can check that out as well. I'll probably just link it in the comment section so it's easier for you to find it. If you're not interested in doing that, you can go ahead and buy a store-bought one. Add your preferred powdered seasoning. I'm using powdered jerk seasoning, chicken seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and paprika. I just go ahead, rub it in, and then I'm going to just let it sit and marinate until I'm ready to put it in my air fryer. As you can see, the chicken is well seasoned. Now to go with these delicious wings, I will be making some homemade fries. You can make potato wedges and you can just go ahead and put them in the air fryer just as is. I will be adding seasoning to mine. I try to cut them in even size, and then I'm going to soak them in some cold water. That way most of the starch is removed from the potato, but you can skip that step if you want to. Alright, the link to this air fryer will also be in the comment section or in my description box for whoever is interested in purchasing one. The size of the basket is way bigger than my previous air fryer, so I really like it, and it also has a 12-in-1 cooking function, which is amazing. Alright, so I'm going to set my fries aside, and now we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. To make an easier cleanup, what I did was I have a cooking spray, a coconut oil cooking spray. I sprayed on the basket lightly just so that the chicken doesn't leave any mess, and it's an easier cleanup for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the chicken option. I click it twice to get the 15 minutes option. After that 15 minutes, I flip the chicken wings and I give them an extra 10 minutes, and the chicken was cooked perfectly. If you're not doing wings, you can give it a longer time, or you can use a thermometer to test the chicken. Once it has an internal temperature of 165 or over, you know that your chicken is properly cooked. And here it is. The wings were so amazing. Now we're gonna make a delicious sauce. I add some butter and olive oil to my pot, and I'm going to add some of that same jerk marinade. So delicious. Add that jerk marinade in there. I added 2 tablespoons of that, and then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. I prefer to use brown sugar, but I didn't have any, so I used 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and then I'm going to add about half cup of water. Allow that to simmer along with a little bit of barbecue sauce, not too much because the jerk is the star of the show. Then I added 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and then I'm going to add some freshly squeezed orange juice. That's it. Allow it to simmer for about a minute, and then you have a delicious sauce. This sauce paired so well with the jerk wings. Oh my god, you have to try it for yourself. You will not be disappointed, I promise you that. Alright, so here it is. The sauce is ready, the chicken is ready, and I'm about to do my fries. So that same seasoning that I used to season the chicken, I left back a small amount. Now I'm just lightly pouring some olive oil over my potatoes, and I'm going to just add that seasoning on there. Just lightly season, and then we're going to just pop it in the oven. As I said before, if you don't want any seasoning on there, you can just use salt after your fries are cooked. So now it's the same procedure. I just rinse off the chicken, mark off the air fryer basket, and then I just spray it again with some of that coconut oil, add my fries, and then I'm gonna select the fries option. That's one thing that I love about this air fryer. It has a 12-in-1 function, and it has specific button for you to press. So it will stop in the middle of cooking, tell you to shake. You shake that basket so that the fries can cook evenly. Pop it back in, and here they are. Fries looking beautiful, and the chicken is beautiful. It was so delicious. You can go ahead and try this recipe. I promise you, these wings will taste like it went on the grill. My cousin was here and she said that if she never saw me cooking it in the air fryer, she wouldn't have thought that these are air fryer wings. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up.
It's lovely, it's delicious.
And remember, if you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section as well. And you can check out this air fryer by clicking the link down below. All right, enjoy the rest of your week, stay safe, show some love, and please come back to watch my other amazing videos. All right, bye.